So I went to the hairdresser's today, and I came home, and this is what I see. Isn't it gross? So I decided to take care of it myself with frosting tip. Here's my journey. Okay, this is what the color is right now. It's still kind of red. I'm gonna leave it for another 10 minutes or so because I hate brass. The ends of it are okay, but this is brassy. It's been exactly 2 hours. Oh, what's at the back of my hair there? Huh. Guess I'll rinse it out now, and hopefully it'll all blend in with the rest of it. Fun fact, do you know how in North America we use tin foil? In France, they use handy wrap, so do a layer, then put a piece of handy wrap in, do another layer, and then they go whoosh, take the handy wrap out all at once. I'm kind of nervous because it is still a little brassy looking. So maybe I'll leave it in for another couple of minutes. It's not gonna kill anybody. My friends are like, oh my God, are you doing your own hair? Yeah, well, it's gotta be better than the hairdresser's job. How pretty the water is. Hey, purple, pretty. Okay, I just blow dried my hair. And I really like it. It looks great. What do y'all think? I'll put the link below. I like it. Not as brassy. Thumbs up. Frosting tip.